and welcome to today's tip. Now, I have got a tip for you today for Halloween. Now, I am in the business of making Halloween beautiful, and as you know, I love watercolors. So, today, all you're going to need is a white crayon and some kind of semi-thick paper. I have used normal sort of plain cardstock for this as well that I'll show you at the end, but any sort of slightly thicker paper than print paper, that wouldn't work. And all I'm going to do is free draw a spider web. Now, I'm not really putting in too much effort into the detail here, but I am just slowly going around and putting in all of the details for my spider web. What we are going to do after this is use our watercolors to go over the top and create a beautiful wax resist. Now, this is a bit tricky to see, but don't worry about it too much. I don't know any perfect spider webs out there, so just go for whatever you think looks pretty good, and if you get the light right, you can just see where you're going. Okay, that's on there. Just gonna wipe it all away. Gonna get my colors. Now, I haven't quite decided what color I'm gonna go for, but I think I'm gonna do maybe some mustard and some browns, and I'm just gonna slowly start going around and creating loads of color around my spider web, and bit by bit my spider web will start to shine. It's such an easy idea and very effective. Okay, it's starting to come out. Now, that's why you need just a little bit thicker paper than maybe what you would normally use, just so you can really get the water in there and the color going. Okay, as you can see, that has popped out really beautifully, and it's such an easy technique for creating background Halloween cardstock that you can then build out from. I'm just going to show you one whilst that dries that I've done, which I'm going to name Make Halloween Beautiful. This is with black paint, exactly the same process, and I've just got a little bit of mustard here next to my photograph. So it's a really easy technique, and I know you're going to have everything you need in your stash to be able to create this. So I look forward to seeing some of your photos maybe on our Facebook page, and go and enjoy.